Hey guys, what's up? Guess what just came in today? A RIDGID 18-volt heated jacket from Home Depot online. As you guys know, it was on clearance for like from $278 down to $69. And this is a large size right here. And then the model number of this product is R87023NK. SKU number is 1004-449-306. And I already opened another box, medium size, perfect fit for me. Their model numbers and SKUs are actually different. Other than that, with the LSA or the lifetime service agreement, it's LSA for the battery and charger, but not for the jacket and the adapter, or basically the power source. It actually says on the box, and made in China. Let's go ahead and open it. Oh, heads up, do not lose the box. I believe this is the serial number for the jacket. Correct me if I'm wrong. I checked online, could not find a thing. I was actually trying to see if any friends know, but no, nothing. Somebody I saw online say it's on the tag. I saw something, but it didn't look like a serial number. Again, keep the box. I think this sticker right here is a serial number. So what we get is, of course, the jacket. So I'll put that here for now. User manuals for everything. So since it's a kit, it comes with the charger, battery, and of course the bare tool with the power source. In fact, actually, when you go to Home Depot or online, when you see this product online, when you buy it, I wouldn't say buy it, because if you're after this port here, I think you call it the AC port, that won't be in there with the power source when you buy it from a store or online, because I remember it will only come with this USB port here, but not with this. I only saw this with the matte light first time I saw this, and now I see this the second time with the heated jacket. So other than that, since I already opened the medium one, I'll just go ahead and put that on, show you what it looks like. It's actually a nice jacket though. Nice feel, nice quality. I don't know about the heating part inside the jacket though. But I do love it has the RIDGID logo here. What saddens me, it's only small. I wish it actually has it elsewhere, maybe like on the front chest. But other than that, it looks and feels great. So over here, this is where the wiring for the heating system, I guess, in the jacket. Remember that hole? Yeah, it goes there. So you just plug in the battery. This is a place where you can put the battery and zip it up. It's kind of awkward though. Actually, I should do it this way. There we go. Before I actually start it up. So see these holes here, like where you would put buttons? I was curious of those, but I think you can move the wire around, or like the power source, wherever you want it. But in my honest opinion, I think you're better off putting it on your belt clip, maybe. That's just my opinion though. So other than that, oh, and here's the power button. I was trying to figure out how it turns on. I didn't know what was wrong, but then I guess you can just press and hold. It will light up like this. There, it lights up red. And then I guess it starts off the hottest mode on default. Press again, yellow, and then white, and then back to red. And then in moments, it should start heating up actually. And then I could only feel it on the upper chest and the upper back. And I believe nothing on the lower parts of your body. But other than that, that's it. Nice fit for a medium.